This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today's pillow paint is Glitten Essentials and Eggshell. Our pouring medium is Vaspar Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane Triple Thick at a 3:1 ratio. Our colors are listed here, and our cell activator is Titanium White mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. Our theme today is going to be an ocean theme. Going to be with the pillow paint down now, and off camera. I'll spread this out a little bit. First color down is indigo, and this is a Matisse color. It's very, very dark blue. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to pick up my swiping tool, and I'm going to load up the back of the swiping tool. Picking up my swiping tool now, and I'm going to load up first with my titanium white cell activator. First down is the last one on the top, so it's just cell activator on top, and again that's mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. Trying to get as much on there as I possibly can. This is what gives me the cells across the painting. Okay, once I have this spread across the back of my tool, I'm going to pick up the cobalt turquoise, and that's going to be the first thing down on the back. So it'll be the top thing as far as color goes. Next thing down was sea glass, and that's a TLP color. Next is a iridescent gold light. This is golden color. Last but not least is velvet by TLP. And velvet is a interference color that shifts to blue. Okay, swiping now. Okay, gonna pop a few bubbles here that are pesky when you're working with this. If you don't pop the bubbles, they will show up later as freckles, especially if it's a pillow paint. And starting to stretch. If you have any questions about what I'm doing and how that I do these paintings, please leave that down in the comments down below, and I reply to all questions. Also, if you miss any of the colors, they will be in the description along with the makers or the make of all the colors. I should mention that I'm not sponsored by any of the paints that I tout on this on my channel. I just I love these colors, and if they can help you to know what works for me, then all the better. I took the Shelee art course, art style course about a year ago, and it kind of opened my eyes to a whole new way of looking uh, at fluid art. And I'm really actually very glad that I did. And I think the biggest benefit I get off of the course is there is a Facebook group that she has set up that you can ask questions and glean information from other artists that of like mind that have done this, and they're willing to share what they've learned. So, if you're at all interested, down in my description there is a 15% coupon that you can apply towards the price of the course. If you're at all interested, I'd recommend it highly. Okay, I'm about done. I'm going to give you a closer look here and then go down for the flyover. You can see that my cell's got a little bit wonky. It kind of adds to that look. If you found this video useful today, if you could give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for future notifications of videos that I'm going to put out. My goal is to put out at least 3 per week. I'm hoping that you enjoyed this video tonight, and I want to thank you for coming along on our journey. Bye now.